In other news, Representatives Chel Jokno and Zia Alonto Adyong are calling for the Senate to act on the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte, saying the delay undermines constitutional duty. Mobile Journal Amy Atienza has the story.
In a recent SWS survey, 66% of the Filipinos believe Vice President Sara Duterte should face the impeachment court. Two members of the House also look forward in this battle of accountability. 5 months have passed since the House of Representatives submitted the articles of impeachment, and now they continue to wait for the action of the Senate Impeachment Court. New member of the House Prosecution Panel, Chel Jokno, recognizes that while the public also waits for the next step, they become more eager for the impeachment trial to begin and become more aware of the situation.
We only have so much patience. Ito ay isang utos ng ating konstitusyon na dapat matagal nang nagawa o nasunod, pero hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin nangyayari.
Lanao del Sur 1st District Representative Zia Alonto Adyong also says that the recent survey serves as a direct expression of the public clamor on the impeachment.
There's really a clamor ng ating taong bayan na dapat yung public clamor for accountability ng mga issues na hindi nasagot ay dapat masagot sa tamang paraan, which is this case, the impeachment trial.
But aside from the impeachment concerns, the two lawmakers also had their own views on the issue of online gambling. Jokno considers that there should just be restrictive measures, while Adyong supports the notion of a total ban in online gambling.
Yung isang issue kasi dyan ay pag ginawa natin yung total ban, ang isang malaking maaaring mangyayari ay totally mag-underground itong mga online gambling platforms. At mas mahihirapan ng pamahalaan na sumpuin yung problema.
Akin lang, very basic ang aking proposal at aking gusto. If you want to remove the poisonous tree, you uproot it, not to trim the branches.
Mobile journalist Amy Atienza, we are One News.